In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an order using cash on delivery at checkout. If you prefer to pay only when your order arrives, this is a simple option to look for during the checkout process. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to do and what to expect before confirming your purchase. To begin, browse the store as you normally would and add the items you want to buy to your cart. Take a moment to review your cart carefully before moving on. This is a good time to make sure you've selected the correct product versions, quantities, sizes, colors, or any other options that apply to your order. Once everything looks right, continue to checkout. At checkout, you'll usually be asked to confirm your shipping details and delivery address before choosing a payment method. Make sure the information is accurate, because cash on delivery availability can depend on your location. Some regions support this payment method, while others may not, so it's important to check the payment options that appear for your specific area. When you reach the payment section, look through the list of available payment methods. You're specifically checking to see whether cash on delivery is listed. It may appear exactly as cash on delivery, or sometimes as COD. If you don't see it, that usually means the option is not available for your region, delivery address, or order type. In that case, you would need to choose one of the other available payment methods shown at checkout. If cash on delivery is available, select it from the list. Before submitting your order, it's a good idea to quickly review the order summary one more time. Check the total amount, delivery details, and the selected payment method, so there are no surprises later. With cash on delivery, payment is made when the order arrives at your doorstep, so make sure you're prepared to complete the payment at the time of delivery according to the store's instructions. Once everything is confirmed, submit your order. After that, you should receive an order confirmation, and your purchase will move forward just like any standard order. The main difference is simply that payment happens upon delivery instead of during checkout. That's all there is to it. Add your items to the cart, proceed to checkout, check whether your region supports cash on delivery, select it if available, and place your order to pay at your doorstep.